Hey, curious about adding vitamin C into your skincare routine? Well, in this video, you will learn why it matters which form of vitamin C you choose, plus the concentration that is best for your skin. Hi, I'm Elaine Mertens from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you navigate the best trends and clean beauty options if you want to maintain beautiful, gorgeous, and vibrant skin. So welcome to my channel. So, vitamin C is an excellent ingredient in skincare, but it's important to know about the different types and what to look for when you are choosing a product so you can get the best out of your skin. Here is what vitamin C can do for your skin. It will protect your skin from sun damage. You have to wear sunscreen, but vitamin C is an antioxydant. So, vitamin C do help provide some defense from UV light. Vitamin C brightens your skin. Let me tell you this, I have to be honest, as you start to get to your mid-30s and beyond, your skin start to look a bit dull. And vitamin C is excellent here because it can help brighten up dark spots, and it will give your skin like a brighter, healthier glow. Vitamin C will also smooth away those wrinkles. I mean, like, seriously, is there anything vitamin C can do? For real. You will love this ingredient because it will help you fight those pesky visible, signs of aging, including fine lines and wrinkles. Those that start showing in here and in here. You know them. Now, vitamin C also helps you boost your collagen. In your 20s, your collagen production levels start to drop. I mean, like, what can I say? It's pretty early, right? And it's not going to get any better when you are in your 30s and even less in your 40s and beyond. But if you use vitamin C in your skincare routine, it will help like encourage collagen production. Plus, it maintains the collagen stores that you do have right now, and it will protect them from being damaged. Great. Next, vitamin C can accelerate healing. You know the drill. When you are ill, you go to the doctor and the doctor tells you to have more vitamin C. Well, the same is true for your skin. Vitamin C helps your skin heal more quickly thanks to its ability to keep collagen production up and running. What else? Vitamin C will help with, it will fade your scars. It won't do miracles. I mean, like, scars are complicated and some are very difficult to treat. That being said, whether you've got acne scars or a cut, vitamin C is also effective in healing those. Did you hear that? Oh my God, I'm hungry. Okay, so vitamin C will also help neutralize free radicals in your skin, and this is great for fighting anti-aging, the first signs of aging, not fighting anti-aging, fighting aging signs. Now the question is, what is the best form of vitamin C in skincare? L-ascorbic acid is by far the most potent form of vitamin C, and look for that when you are looking for skincare products. You have other forms of vitamin C that are also effective, but I will say that the one that has more research backing it is L-ascorbic acid. Okay, now what to look for when choosing vitamin C in skincare? Aside from the type of vitamin C, you will want to look for products that contain concentrations, I would say, between 10 to 20%. Serums generally work best, I would say, because they go on after, cleansing, but right before moisturizing. So this way, you will lock them into the skin layers, and I think that's when it's more effective. Don't choose anything that is less than 10% of vitamin C. I don't think, it won't have enough to give you any benefits or good results. On the other hand, I know you, right? It's very tempting to go for something that is more potent, right? Like higher than 20%, but be careful because it could irritate your skin. Concerning storage, vitamin C needs to be kept, from the light and air, and go for dark bottles or frosted glass. Let me tell you this, you have to be wary about vitamin C products that are too cheap. A good dose of vitamin C is pricier. What can I say? I mean, it's pricier, but you are going to get best results. Also, if you find a vitamin C in a jar that is like clear or transparent, don't buy it. I mean, like you are going to be throwing away your money. You don't want that. Now, I'm all about using specific products depending on your specific skin type. And this is also true for vitamin C. Vitamin C is well tolerated by most skin types. If you have, a sensitive skin type, well, just, give it a test before you slather it on your face. But if you have a sensitive skin, this. If you have oily skin that is prone to breakouts, choose a vitamin C that is non-comedogenic to keep it from clogging up your pores. You know this too. So if, for those with combo and oily skin, you can go for a cocktail, vitamin C with salicylic acid. I personally use Skinceuticals. It also has silimarin in it. By the way, silimarin, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, is actually one of the active ingredients in milk thistle and is actually extracted from the seeds. I didn't know, and now you know it too. For those of you with a dry or drier skin, you will also want to look for vitamin C formulations with hydrating ingredients. Hyaluronic acid plays nice with vitamin C and is an excellent choice. You can also use it with rose oil. Okay, so now let me give you a couple of suggestions. There are tons of vitamin C products out there. Here are a few suggestions that may help you find your new favorite vitamin C serum. So number one is Peter Thomas Potent C Power Serum. The percentage is 20% and it's going to give you some beautiful results. It also has vitamin C and ferulic acid, which by the way, I have a video on ferulic acid. It's, this combo is pretty magical for your skin. The EWG score is 3 and it's one that this serum, it's, I would say, on the expensive side of things, but the good thing is that it does what it says. Option number 2 is Skinceuticals CE Ferulic, and it's a good option. It's expensive, and I will say that it's better for drier skin types because the concentration of vitamin C it's a bit lower. It's 15%. Another option for you that is less expensive is Biossance Squalane Vitamin C and Rose Oil. I have tried this in the past. Again, I have a combination, oily skin, and my skin does not like the oil in it. What can I say? To make the most of your vitamin C powers in skincare, be sure to apply it after cleansing. And what I like doing is apply it when my skin is still just a hint, a bit damp. And after you apply your, vitamin C serum, then you should go, you will layer on your moisturizer. During the day, be sure to apply sunscreen, you know this. Now, a common question, can I use vitamin C with retinol? No problem. If you see, if you see that your skin is irritated, well, don't use them maybe the same day. Hyaluronic acid and glycerin also plays nicely with vitamin C. You can combine those together to get beautiful, excellent benefits. Another question, does eating vitamin C make your skin, my skin, better? I've said this before and I'll say it again. It's so important, people, to eat healthy food if you want your skin to glow. Listen, all those amazing and expensive products that you are using will not reach, their full potential if you are not doing your job. Okay, so go eat strawberries, tomatoes, peppers, and kiwi. By the way, did you know that kiwi has more vitamin C than an orange? Well, now you know. Okay, so to sum up, if you are looking for vitamin C products, check the potency, check the type of vitamin C, make sure that it comes in a dark bottle or frosted glass. Keep it safe, stable you have to keep it from light and air, and that's it. Drink water, hydrate yourself, eat good veggies and fruits, and you are going to be fabulous. That's all for today. If you want flawless skin, go to my website, beautybycode.com. There is a quiz and you will find out which acid is best for your unique skin type. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. If you have comments, questions, you want to share the love with me, leave a comment below. I read them all. And have a good day. Bye for now.